Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig transformation. It's been a while since I colored some hair or just done anything really bold with my hair.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
So the hair that I'll be working on today is from Hairsmarket. Now this is their 613 blonde body wave wig, I believe. The hair is super soft and silky, you guys. Also, the knot on the lace itself is super thin. It's super fine. So once you put it against your skin, it just looks really natural. It's definitely giving HD vibes without the HD price tag. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like on my mannequin head. Now, the inspiration behind this transformation was by this post right here I saw on Instagram, and I was just like, I fell in love with the color. I just love like the two-tone color, the colored roots, and just like a different color ends. But for my color, I didn't necessarily want to create it exactly like the picture. I wanted to, switch it up a little bit. So I chose a blue color to recreate my look. I'm using the Adore hair dye in the color powder blue. So to start, the first thing that I went ahead and did was section off my hair. I did separate the frontal from the rest of the hair. Now, I don't know why on camera, when you're applying the colors to the hair, initially it looks purple, but after you rinse it and everything, you can definitely tell that it's like a blue color. But on camera and actually in person, like when I was just applying it, it definitely did look purple. I was kind of scared at first, but by the time I rinsed it out, it definitely looked like the color that it said on the bottle. So it was all good. The way I applied my dye was basically, I only did like the front area of the roots. I did not like color all the roots of the frontal itself. So I did this front area here that you guys see me applying the dye to, and then I parted off and I did one more section behind that, and that was pretty much how much of the frontal I colored. So yeah, you're just mainly focusing on the front of your frontal, not really the back, because I didn't color the entire frontal, like I said, just the front area. And then you just want to basically repeat this process all around your frontal, so ear to ear, and then I'm gonna do the middle section. So right now I'm just taking my rat tail comb and giving my wig a center part, and then I'm just going to apply the dye directly in the center there. Again, just about 1 to 2 centimeters down the hair. And then you want to take the end of your comb and you can comb it out to kind of like give it that ombre effect. And then same how I did it in the front, I'm just following those exact same steps for the center part. You want to part the surrounding areas and also apply some dye there, just to make sure like the dye really saturates the hair properly, and it's just basically even. So I'm just applying extra dye in those areas just to make sure that it's well even and it just doesn't look too choppa if you guys get what I mean. And then yeah, you want to take your comb and comb it out. I feel like passing your comb through it, you definitely want to use a fine teeth comb and just pass it through it. That way it kind of like gives it like that ombre effect. After that, I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my toner. I'm using the Wella T10 toner. This one is in pale blonde. And I did mix mine with a 40 volume developer. I also would recommend using a 20. And I definitely recommend using 2 bottles of the Wella toner. I only had 1 bottle and I could only find that little bottle of developer as well, so I had to use whatever I had. But for future references, I definitely suggest using 2 bottles. But unfortunately for your girl, I had limited amount of product, so I had to make the best of it. So I basically just sectioned off my hair into 4 big parts, and I applied the toner to the palm of my hands and I just dabbed it on there, y'all. I literally was just dabbing it on, scrunching it up. I was really trying to saturate it the best that I could get it to be honest. Again, I didn't have a lot to work with, but whatever I did use, it definitely made a difference. So after I finished applying the toner, I did leave it on the hair for a good 25 to 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it. I am using the purple shampoo to rinse my hair. I feel like without the purple shampoo, I don't think it would have looked how it looks now. I felt like the purple shampoo definitely helped, especially like taking out some of the brassiness from the hair. once you're dealing with blonde hair, you guys, you definitely need a purple shampoo. It just like makes the world of difference. So especially being that I had very limited amount of product on my hair with the toner, the purple shampoo definitely helped with like toning the areas that I was not able to get any products on. So yeah, after doing about, I think I did only 2 washes with the purple shampoo, and then I used the purple conditioner. It does pretty much the same thing. If you don't have the shampoo, you can just use the conditioner, or if you just have the shampoo, you can use that and then some other sort of conditioner. And yes, this is what our wig is looking like now. She came out so beautiful. Like I said, you guys, remember how it was looking purple? Now you can definitely see that powder blue color, and it's just beautiful. So now I'm just about to try to do some sort of a stocking cap method. You guys know I hate this part right here, but because I did glue my wig down, I was like, okay, let me just use a stocking cap so I don't have any of my edges going missing when I'm removing this wig. And yeah, we're doing our stocking cap. I'm using a Ghost Blonde glue to lay down my wig. I only did 2 layers just because I'm only having my wig on for about 2 to 3 days, so I didn't really want too much glue on my edges. 2 layers, let it dry, and now I'm just applying my wig down into my lace glue. Make sure you position it on your head properly. Don't pull it too far down on your forehead, especially if you don't have like a really huge forehead and a lot of space to work with. I definitely recommend sliding your wig a little back, because some of y'all be walking around with y'all wigs looking like helmets. But I do have a huge forehead, so I did bring mine down pretty low. But I'm just saying, if you do have a short forehead, do not be bringing your wigs down to your eyebrows. It just don't look good. It really don't. Now I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm giving myself a center part. You guys know them center parts be giving them girls life. But I did eventually switch it at the end. I don't know, it wasn't working out for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie up my hair right now, do my little elastic band method, let that lace melt. You want it looking like skin. And then I'm just taking a lighter concealer, adding some of that to the end of my rat tail comb, and I'm just gonna go up and down in the parting space. This basically just helps with giving me like a straighter parting space and just makes it look a lot cleaner. So if you're a girl like me who does not know how to like do really like extremely straight parting spaces, the concealer method on the rat tail comb really helps a lot. So if you don't think anything else from this video, take that little trick. It works. It really works. Now I'm just gonna go in and curl my hair. So the curling iron that I'm using, I did purchase this on Amazon. I will have it linked in my Amazon store. That will be listed down below in the description box. So check the description box for that. Honestly, guys, this hot comb, not hot comb. This curling iron is bomb. It is a 1 barrel. And yeah, it did the damn thing. I was honestly really impressed, and I haven't curled my hair with a curling iron in a while, so I was really impressed with the outcome of the curls. It was just amazing. My curls actually lasted, you guys, for 3 days. Yeah, I wore my wig for 3 days straight after this video, and my curls were still intact. To be honest, they even look better on day 2, I swear to God. Like, the curls were just really voluptuous and really nice. I loved how big it got. Actually, I'll put a clip right here to show you guys what it looks like on day 2. The curls were just really nice. But I say all this to say, the curling iron, you guys, is definitely a must-have. It is really good. And it also gets really hot really quickly. So yeah, get you one. The link is listed down below in my Amazon store. And yeah. Then I just went in with my big T comb and combed out the curls. The hair was just given, you guys. I'm not too sure exactly what density this wig is. I believe to me it feels like a 150, 180 max density. I would say the ends was not like really full, but it looked really good nonetheless. The hair is beautiful though. Honestly, so far I have not had any complaints with it. The shedding is very minimal, and for blonde hair, you guys know blonde hair sheds a lot. So far I haven't had much shedding at all. Of course, if I do run my fingers through the hair, a few strands would come out, but very little to no shedding. The hair does not tangle as well. I did sleep on this hair and I woke up in the morning. I had no tangles or no matting, none of that. So overall, the hair quality is really good, you guys. Also, I did get this hair in a 24-inch. Again, this is their 613 body wave unit. This is pretty much the outcome of the hair. Honestly, you guys, I haven't done color in a while, so I was loving this. It turned out really well, you guys. I got so many compliments on this wig, so I know I did the damn thing, okay? But yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, the color, all of that. How did I do? Let me know in the comment section down below. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, give me a big thumbs up, comment, all of that. I'll catch you guys in my next one. I love you guys.
You
Bye.
are watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion.